Watching the World Cup games here. Freaking, that last game was crazy. Argentina. Moving on. Until the next game, we could check out a few stores. Might have to go back to watch the Colombia game. Here's the champs. They got some jerseys. No Mexico one, no USA one. Oh wait, they got one. They did got one USA one right here. Retail 72? Like one of the budget ones. Oh, what the hell? They got some of the women's ones right here. These are pretty cute. Or is this a kid's one? Nah, it's a kid's ones. Damn, like they running short on supply. Mexico, they just got a couple t-shirts. Got some shorts right here, $45. I saw someone buy a Colombia jersey. They're about to play in a couple minutes. I was like, damn, okay. All right, here you go. These shorts actually look pretty dope. Adidas shorts, basketball shorts. I was like, are these for women? They look a little small. $45, it's unisex. And speaking of Adidas, $100 for Ultra Boost. I feel like they have not been making that many Ultra Boost 1.0s lately. And I guess they're putting it on hiatus for a little bit. Sneaker companies love doing that, making stuff limited and then bringing them back. What are those, the Climate Cools or something like that? Starting to see the handball especials in the different country ones. Starting to see them on sale since World Cup is, what's it, halfway over? Probably halfway over. The Sambas look kind of cool. I like the stitching in the back right there. This one, I'm not feeling it too much. I like the material, but the color. I think at the outlets, they've been having them at this price. They were $110, so they've gone down. The Evo SLs, Vomero Pluses, little sale. But sale section not too crazy. In the men's section, this is the kids and women's. I don't think I've seen these. Not bad. Gotta keep track of the 574s. And I really love this colorway right here. I think it has a little, does it have 3M on it? Does it have 3M on it? Yes, it does. Yeah, these used to be 80, then they were 90, now they're about 100 and get a little discount, so they're back to the OG price from like 3-4 years ago. 50% off the Liverpool jerseys right here. Oh shit, Italia. And then Nigeria as well, 50% off all these. Got the Bob Marley Jamaica ones as well, 50% off. Starting to get rid of some of the World Cup stuff. Manchester United, 110, 50 off. That's a medium right there. Jordan Hydro 4s, $50 for these bad boys. Right here, I like these. I do like them. I love the Hydro slides. Damn, I've been wearing my Air More Tempo slides more than any of these. I just started wearing my Jordan slides a little more. And they got a Columbia one right here, 45 for these bad boys. All right, I think the Columbia game's gonna start, so I'm gonna continue this after the Columbia game. This is the Jordan section right here. They got Toro Bravos. They got the 3s. I don't know what the hell those are called. I don't know. But you got the 5s, the white metallics. Bands. Saw these at Bulldog Liquidator. Hope you guys didn't miss that. Bulldog Liquidator had those for 100, and I think one was marked 70, which is kind of crazy. But got plenty of Jordans. All right. I'm gonna go watch the game, and yeah, we'll continue in a minute. Back at Dave & Buster's watching Colombia and Ghana. Damn, what the hell you guys doing? Colombia, you letting them shoot the ball like that? What the hell, man? Y'all need to come through. One of my homies is there, so gotta watch this live. Colombia did get the win. I pushed on my bed. It is what it is. But yeah, that was freaking dope. I'm gonna go to Ross because the mall's closed, man. The mall's closed. They got one of these next door. So I guess it's become a Ross and Burlington video because it's late as hell. Everything else is closed. But yeah, I had fun. Had some drinks and stuff. All right, let's see what's going on. Sneaker section. Kind of an interesting find right here. Gazelles. extra fluffy. They're talking about $40 smaller size. Samba is $45. What are these? Are these one of the deer and fox? I think it's one of the deer and fox shoes right here. $40. GT Hustle 3s, $80. These retail for like $180. Smaller size. MB3s, $50. Been seeing a bunch of these. Have they been marked down? Any markdowns yet? No, nope. I don't even see any price tags, let alone a markdown size 9.5. What the for these? Some sort of Steph Curry's, $40. Another one of these going for $50. Just the general purpose, $45. Say these shoes or these the same ones? I don't know, but yeah, $45. F1 slide size 10s. These are some Pumas. I don't know, $17. Had an interesting conversation with one of the dudes at the bar about the United States. $50. What's this? $80 here. Gazelles. What they talk about? $40. Oh, I thought these were some premium. No, these are some Revolution 65 budget running shoes. $50 for Gatos. Zoom Freak 7s. $55. So many trades in the NBA. This season's going to be crazy. Lakers got a totally new squad. This fool's with the Heat, right? So curious about how the new Lakers squad is. They got an entirely new team, it feels like. Holy cow. I think things went well. $35. I think we need a backup center, though. That's hella cheap. Budget. Curry's right here, $50. World Cup game also been hella interesting. So much stuff going on in the sports world. 12 and up. I remember when they had a 13 and up section. I don't know, have the shoe companies like abandoned 13s and above? What's going on here? What's going on? In a month or two, we're gonna see an influx of World Cup merch. Not seeing it yet. And yeah, if you guys are old like me and you guys don't grow sideways and vertically. But yeah, if you guys don't go, make sure you guys just buy it and you'll have it ready for the next World Cup. But yeah, the next one's gonna be in Europe, so we're gonna be waking up at 4 in the morning and stuff. The bar is definitely not gonna be the same vibe. Gots to be a little nosy. By a little nosy, I mean like way nosy, but not really seeing premium items. Women's section over here. Nothing in the crazy shoe size. You got some, I think they've been calling these like the Superstar 2s, the patent leather. That boy's $40. Even the toe cap, technically patent leather, which is interesting. It looks kind of budgety right here with, yeah, why is it on top? It's kind of weird. It's kind of budgety. I think these were women's because they were in the men's section over there. Got some Vans if y'all into Vans. Suede is so nice. When Van uses suede, they use it really nice. But yeah, $50. I think I see some Bostons right here. I think these are the Boston 13s. Yeah, Boston 13s, $47. That is such a good price for these. These retail for like $160. That was like a size 8 or something like that. Got some platform Chucks right here, $35. Vapor Max right here, $90 on Vapor Max. These are like the Flyknit ones, which are so comfy and nice. Vapor Max do feel a little interesting. They remind me of like wearing cleats when I played football in high school. Kind of have to get used to it if you haven't worn cleats, but it is an interesting feeling. Do got some, I don't know, some very flavorful Chucks right here, $40. These are Chuck 70s though. These are the Air Max Muse. These are so ugly. I don't know, $80. Cortez right here, $47. And then some of these aisles, super narrow, make you feel all extra chubby or really buff. I don't know, however the way you take it. Got some, are these Clifton leathers? What do they call them? $90 for those. I think that's it. Hitting up the kids section. They got some nice plushies if you got kids. This is a Pokemon one right here. This is like really premium. Like it's like fat and like dense, and then the material super nice. $20 for this Pokemon. I forgot what it's called. They got these Hello Kitty backpacks. I know plenty of chicks and kiddos have been into Hello Kitty, Sanrio, whatever the hell it's called. $15. This is a backpack. I think these are all Pokemon, no? I don't know. This thing right here, I don't know what the hell that is. No, that's a Pokemon. Is the fool sleeping? Why are you sleeping, dog? You're supposed to be fighting other Pokemon. $15. Got these tiny Pokemon in here. $7. Tiny price. You see, this one's pretty nice. Know someone that might want this. $10, dude. $10. And I'll keep stuff like this and give them as presents like way later. Because, I don't know, like a lot of people like this, right? Like some of my friends' kiddos or someone's going to like this. I'll just grab this and put it in my pile of stuff. Dang it, they do have a line as usual. And $10, like, you know, people you give this to, they don't know you paid $10 for this. Or they don't know I paid $10 for this. Well, unless they watch my channel. Dang it. Convention center right here, Anime Expo, kind of a big deal apparently. Holy crap, there's a bunch of fools. My kiddo right here. Like they got the Staples Center or Crypto Arena. They got Microsoft Center. I don't know what the hell the Peacock Arena. Peacock. I don't know. But yeah, it includes everything. It's crazy. Can't believe they got all these buildings and all these other venues involved. That's crazy. Oh, he was right here, 14B. Oh, holy crap. Yeah, this is crazy. And they got all these crazy costumes. I don't know who that fool is. I don't really follow anime like that. No, there's a bunch of like regular people that didn't get dressed up. Oh, okay. All right, I just came here to pick up my kid, man. We out, dude. Give you guys a little glimpse. Went to Anime Expo to pick my kiddo up. Now I'm at World of Racing out in Pasadena. They have like a, what do they call it? The Pro Series race. All the fastest guys are there. Oh, that's not gonna do it.